Here on, let's go, case number 17 DR 0311, Chad Gardner, Kimberly Hutchinson. Ms. Graham.
Yes, sir. We're here on Mr. Gardner's motion for rehearing. I could not tell from our notice that his attorney, Mr. Peacock, was notified to be here today.
Well, let's see. Right, on this case, the department had represented Mr. Gardner, or had assisted Mr. Gardner in the filing of this motion. Is that right?
Yes, sir, we did. And well, yes, sir, in the motion to suspend or abate support, and the order was rendered October 11th, suspending the ongoing support as of August of 2020.
Which coincided with an injunction, I think. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You're Ms. Gardner, is that correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, we're here on a motion for a rehearing filed by Mr. Gardner. The department has some concerns whether or not Mr. Peacock, his attorney, was noticed for this or not.
His attorney was given notice at our divorce hearing, on our final hearing on the 27th of December. They mentioned today's hearing.
Okay. You and Mr. Gardner have two children together, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And I believe I stopped the support on what was the date? 12 of 20 of 20, is that right, Ms. Graham?
Yes, sir. 8/12 of 20.
8/12 of 20. And I believe that wasn't what department had filed an injunction that had placed both children with him based on that injunction.
Just the one child. One wasn't born at the time of the injunction.
Okay. So the $75 a week support was for just the one.
Right, Eden, our 7-year-old.
Okay. And did Eden reside with you up until the date of that injunction?
Yeah, well, him and I shared our marital home up until the date of that injunction. So, I mean, yes, before that, she did reside primarily with me before him and I moved in together upon getting married.
Okay. All right. So what's your position about the child support arrearages?
We got married in August 13th of 2018, which was when I contacted the Department of Children and Families and let them know that we had gotten married, and they said that they would stop, seeking child support. When we split up in the very end of 2019, and my youngest daughter was born in 2020. And for the first 7 months of her life, I had her entirely.
Okay, but
Other than that,
in all fairness, I guess a lot of this arrearages that we assessed against him on that date would have been during the time y'all were married and living together. Is that fair to say?
right,
All right, then I'm going to give him an opportunity. I'm going to indicate that I'm going to grant the opportunity for a rehearing and indicate in the order if the arrearages are not resolved in conjunction with the dissolution of marriage proceeding. As y'all already went to final hearing on that, is that right?
we did. We had Judge Henry, and he was supposed to give us a verdict, or was going to try to by that Friday. But for some reason, it says that Judge Young has been assigned.
Well, that would be to this case, not the dissolution of marriage case, probably. But if it's been changed, he will enter an order.
Okay, because it's on both.
Okay, then their assignment changed, but he will still. I feel 100% confident he will still do the order that he from the hearing he had.
Judge Henry.
Correct.
Okay.
So, but in any event, I'm going to indicate if the arrears aren't resolved with respect to that. Is there any money in this owed to the state, Ms. Graham?
No, sir, nothing else to say.
Then if for some reason the arrears aren't resolved in dissolution of marriage proceedings, then the parties can reschedule this for a rehearing. So,
Yes, sir.
all right. Good luck, Ms. Gardner.
Thank you.
All right.